Hi everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm back with another easy step-by-step on how to turn off sound and background music in Doomsday Last Survivors. If you want to enjoy Doomsday Last Survivors without the sound or background music, then here's how you do it. First things first, launch open the Doomsday Last Survivors application on your device and make sure that you're inside this page. Once you're in, go ahead and click on your avatar at the top left corner of the home screen. You'll then end up in this Commander Info section where you need to click on Settings at the bottom left. Now, click on the System Settings button and then you will see the sound effects and background music option at the very bottom. Toggle off the button right next to sound effect and background music, and once you switch those buttons off, you'll be able to quietly enjoy the game without any sounds or background music. So that's it. Turning off the sound and background music is quick and easy, letting you play your way. So, if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.